Now let's understand keys for relationships. First things first, we need to ingest the data. We'll go to get data. I have the source files in CSV format. Let's click on CSV. So here we have the two files, customers and orders. Let's ingest the files one by one. I'll go ahead with customers first. Let's double click. Now I'll directly go to the load. Everything looks good. And here we go. The customer is now appearing. Now let's ingest the other file, that is the orders. I'll click on get data. Then I'll click on CSV. Now let's double click on the orders. Now let's similarly load. All right, we got the orders and customers. Now let's check whether the values are correct or not. I'll go to transform data. Now if it let's check one by one. First we have the customers table. Let's check the data type. So it's 1 2 3 and 4, that is it contains the numbers, customer ID. So this is very important because if we look here in the orders table, it has also got customer ID. So the customer ID will act as a foreign key. So here the primary key is the customer ID, right, in the customers table. Similarly, the other data types, that is the customer name, everything looks good. By default, Power BI does the homework for us. Same goes for the numbers 1 to 3, we can see here, right? And here again 1 to 3 because it contains numbers. So no changes required as of now. We are good. We'll click on close and apply. Now here under the modeling, we'll be having the manage relationships. Let's click on it. And here if we look, Power BI does the homework for us. So we have seen previously the customer ID was the primary key for the customers, and the orders table contains the customer ID now as the foreign key reference. So the concept is the relationship. If we look, the customers can have many orders, like one customers can have many orders. So if you look at the relationship here, the cardinality, it's many to one, right? And in the bracket, if you look, the joining key, that is customer ID, is common in both orders and customer table. That's why in the brackets customer ID is mentioned. So that is what it goes for this tutorial, that is the keys for relationship. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let's meet in our next lecture.